Hi all, following on from my previous video where I was brewing the Public House IPA on the Pinter, I'm going to go for a taste test. So as you can see, it's been about 2 weeks since I last brewed. Haven't shaved at all since then, which I think gives it away. I'm just going to dive straight in and just see how this comes out. So first step is to go on the carbonation dial on the back and just remove the pressure. Just going to move this all the way around slowly. You can hear, yeah, coming out again. I'm starting to smell the beer as well. I'm trying to avoid the big release because I'm not sure if that may disturb the beer at all when it comes out in one big hiss, like it did at the beginning part. Nearly there. Alright, there we go. So that's moved all the way over to off on the dial. So first step, get your glass, pour off a bit. So this is just going to be foam. Wow, it is very carbonated and it's actually coming out the back. Just thought I'd show you this. Look at that. I've just carbonated it and it's coming out the back like this. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting that. The beer is a bit too active. I've had to mop up all the foam that was coming out the back and it was carrying on pouring, so I had to pour more out because I think it was just trying to reduce the amount that was in there. So as you can see, the first pour, it was very, to begin with it was all head and foam, but because I've had to pour out a bit to try and stop it coming out the carbonation dial at the back, the vent there, I've got quite a cloudy looking pint here. Now this hasn't been shaken, and I was actually going to say that I actually conditioned this for 2 days longer than recommended. So the recommendation, I brewed based on the website. So I brewed based on the website recommendation and I conditioned based on the website recommendation. I think it was 7 days, and I've actually had it for 9 days conditioning. So I'm a bit concerned with how active it is. It has, as I say, stopped making that noise right now. It has died down a bit. Right, what I'm going to do is I've actually got my Greater Good Fresh Brewing schooner, or 2/3 of a pint, I think it is. I'm going to go ahead and pour and see how this comes out. So, wish me luck, I guess. And that is pure foam still. Wow. Absolute pure frothy foam. Right, I will have to give this a few minutes, I guess, and let it settle a bit and give it another try. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, it doesn't look like it's come out good at all. I think this still needs a bit more time. I'm just wondering now whether the temperature in my little cold storage area got too warm, because the heating has been on in the house, and I wonder if that area is heated up when the heating's been on, and therefore it hasn't chilled enough. So I'm going to have to whack this in the fridge for a few days and see how it comes out. I'll just quickly have a look at this. So as you can see, this is murky, as that has not dropped bright at all, and there's a lot of sediment that's gathering at the bottom right now as well. Smell wise, smells okay. taste wise, quite a bit of bitterness. There's hops in there, but there's a lot of bitterness as well. Yeah, that's not quite an IPA. More like, I don't know, maybe it is an IPA, English IPA, but more on the bitter side. But yeah, that's drinkable, but I wouldn't recommend probably drinking all of that. It's naturally hazy, there you go, but it's probably got a lot of yeast in there, so you'll be feeling it if you go toilet. So, where you go toilet, I'm gonna whack this in the fridge for a bit. I say 2 days, see if I can get it to chill back down, and hopefully that will make the sediment fully drop and clear the haze, and then we can carry on with this video. So next time I see you, it'll be hopefully 2 days time.